Here's how this works. Water, salt, and pepper, those are freebies. Your pantry, it better have flour, oil, vinegar, mustard, and garlic. Beyond that, you'll only need 5 more ingredients and 25 minutes to put an entree or entire meal on the table. So, shop, set the clock, and let's dish out. We'll start off with some microwaveable brown rice. That's a great quick trick for fast cooking. 1 navel orange, some sesame seeds. I love my tuxedo sesame seeds. Some dark soy sauce. Regular soy sauce would be fine. You're just not going to get the same color. And of course, some salmon fillets. I'm making this for 2, but I'll write the dish guide for 4. We'll grab some olive oil out of the pantry and add in a large tablespoon or so of olive oil, followed by the same amount of that dark soy sauce. Go ahead and remove the zest from the orange. We'll add that to our marinade or sauce. Go ahead and juice in half the orange, but save the other half. We'll use it to plate things up. We'll grab a little Dijon out of the pantry. As this is pretty much a vinaigrette, well, that Dijon is going to help to homogenize everything. You could brush some olive oil on a sheet tray, but I'm spraying a little olive oil spray down, followed by my 2 6-ounce salmon fillets. I've got my broiler set to high, and I'm just going to brush these fillets with that orange soy marinade. Sprinkle over just a few of those tuxedo sesame seeds, and pop these under the broiler for about 4 minutes. They're not going to be done yet, but we want to go ahead and give them another very generous brushing with that marinade or sauce. I'm also going to hit these with a little bit of salt, as that soy sauce is not going to be quite enough to season both fillets. And after 4 more minutes under the broiler, they are a thing of beauty. The sugar in that orange juice has caramelized, that dark soy sauce has stained the salmon, those sesame seeds are nice and toasted. As I mentioned, use that other half of the orange for a nice pop of color on the plate. We'll use the juice as well. Lay down that salmon fillet, and of course, for my thumbnail, I got to hit it with a little bit of green from some green onions, but that's optional. I'm going to squeeze over the juice from one of those orange segments. I love cooking salmon under the broiler. It gets so nice and caramelized on the top, but not overcooked in the center. This was still a nice medium to medium well cook. Of course, we microwaved that brown rice to give us some carbs and a bed to put all this food on top of, but man, that salmon is a delight. Those sesame seeds get nice and toasty. Hope you'll give this a try. It is a delightful bite of fish and a great quick dinner. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn to go make something delicious.